What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma TLR Typhon 6S. Now on the outside of the box, we see it come with the Spektrum system. A Spektrum 150 amp ESC 2050 kV motor. Got the Spektrum servo. 7075 aluminum shock towers. Aluminum suspension hangers. Got suspension hanger inserts. You got aluminum servo arm and aluminum servo holder. You got machine tapered shock pistons. You got these knobby tires on here. All right, let's see what's inside of the box. Yeah, this thing look good in there. Let's check it out. All right, let's see what it comes in the box. You got the box of goodies. It comes with, yeah, the SLT3 controller. Yeah, I can drive with one hand with these. Extra screws here. This part right here, you add it to the wing. I don't know. You know, put it back there to the wing like that. Got the shims in there. Also come with Arrma batteries. The TLR stickers. Oh, you get two, oh wow. You get two things of stickers. Got the manual with a barcode card in there. I noticed in the bag I didn't see a speed guarantee, so they don't have a speed guarantee. Oh wow, they got that loose like that. Also got a plug-in for the fan if you want to add a fan to the motor, which I thought they did, but guess they don't. I got some extra fans in the house, so I can add that. Now here go this thing looks beautiful. This is definitely beefy. Here go the body. Body looks awesome. I like this color scheme: red, white, and blue TLR Typhon. Here go the inside. See, you running the 2050 kV motor, 50 amp ESC, Arrma. Wait a minute, TLR chassis. This thing is fresh. Yeah, this is very beefy and upgraded. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my yeah, I got some upgrades I'm gonna add to it myself. They actually got a dust guard in the back, so you don't dirty up the shocks like that. You got the TLR threaded shocks. This is a high performance car. This car, I like this. Yeah, this thing is awesome. You got upgraded shock towers, the TLR shock towers that's upgraded front and rear. You got the same arms. Got the hinge pin holders that's upgraded. The back is upgraded. And here go the chassis underneath the chassis. Nice. This thing is very beautiful. Knobby tires. I don't know how this is going to work. I feel like it got some nice grip. Nice little hard compound to the tires. Belted. Now let's throw a battery in here to see which. I'm only going to run 4 rests. It's just a little test drive. I'm not going to really drive it like that. Just going to do a little test drive. The radio on. All right, we're going to do this first. This is going to be a quick run because I did an unboxing. I'm only running this on 4S. she's pretty all right. Didn't have to do no adjusting it. I'm about to break it already. You let me have it for a day. I can't wait to do no speed. Can't wait to do the speed test on this car. She handles nice. She got nice and straight. The suspension need to be adjusted though. This is only for S too. It seemed like it got to be calibrated. Yeah, this is definitely a race trucky. I mean, race buggy. I can imagine racing this. The turning is nice. Got good control over this car. Yeah, but I just wanted to let y'all see her run real quick, and I wanted to run her real quick. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.